School Navsari. This is video number 14, chapter Haloalkanes and Haloarenes, topic 10.7.1b. Now, before going to this SN1 mechanism, last time what we discussed SN2 mechanism, little bit we will revise, and one part what is left out we will discuss. Now, in this step 1, we know one step reaction, that is first reaction, order, second order kinetics, and stereochemistry, inversion of configuration. Now, this step 1 reaction is first, means what? Only one step reaction, there is no other step in this. Means what? If you see here, Ca3Br plus OH, first reaction, and first reaction you cannot determine the step, right? Sorry, determine the rate, what we call, right? So this Ca3 that is the alcohol, and Br minus what is being removed as an halide ion, right? Reactivity order of SN2 mechanism, Rx is the most reactive, primary halide, then secondary and tertiary. Tertiary halide is the least reactive. Now the reverse of this will be in SN1 mechanism, that what we are going to see in this next topic. Next topic, that is what we are seeing here, SN1 mechanism. SN1 mechanism full form is nucleophilic substitution reaction, unimolecular or first order kinetics. First order kinetics. Now what does this unimolecular means? It depends on the concentration of only one molecule, right? And first order kinetics means, what is the meaning of the word? First order kinetics means rate of reaction depends on the concentration of one reactant, that is only Rx and not the nucleophile. Please note down this very carefully. It only depends on the alkyl halide and not on nucleophile. In SN2 what was there? It depends on both, but in this case only one. Now when we talk, there is step of reaction, it is two-step reaction. Step 1, that is slow. For slow step, what we call it as, and slow step is a rate determining step. Means what? You can determine the speed of reaction in this, right? First step is reversible, also slow. In this step there is a formation of C plus ion, that is carbocation or carbocation, what we call. Step 2 is first step, in which carbocation, that is nucleophile will attack on C plus ion, carbocation, right? This is the step number 2, what we call. Now when we talk about order of kinetics, what is order of kinetics here? It is first order kinetics. First order kinetics, what it is, that we already discussed here. First order kinetics, rate of reaction depends on the concentration of one reactant, that is Rx. Now, so step, two step, first step formation of carbocation, second step nucleophile will attack on carbocation, first step is slow step, and slow step is rate determining step. Stereochemistry of reaction, here there is no any inversion. Means what we discussed there, that inside out what umbrella goes, nothing will happen in this case. Retention of configuration means whatever will be there before reacting, after reaction also the configuration will be, that is the orientation of molecule, substituents will be same, right? So that is stereochemistry of this reaction is retention of configuration. This all things can be asked for 1 mark MCQ. Now SN1 mechanism we already discussed here. It is two-step reaction. Step 1 is formation of carbocation. Now carbocation, when we say, it's a general form what we discussed this step 1, Ca3 thrice CBr. Now here we have taken here tertiary halide, right? Now why that I will discuss, why tertiary halide. It is step 1, slow step, reversible. You can see formation of carbocation is there, and Br minus is separated. Now in this case, this we have separated it like this in form of a bond, so you can understand it very clearly. What is here, you can see this is a simple type, means what happens, Br is more electronegative in this case, so due to heterolytic friction all electrons will move towards whom? Br, and you will say there will be a breaking of bond, and this Br will acquire a negative charge and carbon will acquire positive charge due to loss of electron. So this is your carbocation which is formed in first step, carbocation, right? C plus ion formed in first step. Now always remember in this important note, slow step is a rate determining step. Now this was step number 1, that is formation of carbocation, that is C plus ion, right? How it is formed, slow step, rate determining step, right? You can see here, right? Now in second step, what will happen? In second step, you can see here, nucleophile will attack on carbocation. So here this is the nucleophile, what we call it as, and it will attack on this carbocation and it will form an alcohol, what we call, right? Alcohol. Now this step is first step, it is not reversible. Last time what we discussed, the last one, here you can see it is what? Reversible step, right? So step 1 is reversible, step 2 is not reversible. So you can see here it is a first step in which you can see alcohol is formed, right? Now when we talk about the reactivity of SN1 mechanism, it depends on what? The stability of carbocation, that is C+. So here converse of SN2 we have seen this was more reactive, but now in SN1 when we say tertiary halide is more reactive than secondary, primary and Rx. Now why it is so? So I already explained here. It depends on the stability of carbocation, formation of carbocation. Means greater the stability of C plus ion, greater will be ease of the formation from what? Alkyl halide. Means more stability is there, easily it will form what? That carbocation from alkyl halide, and hence faster will be the rate of reaction. So if you want to see the stability of carbocation C plus ion, you can see tertiary is more stable, then secondary, then primary, and then a simple carbocation. So in this case, if you see the SN2 reactivity order, you will come to know that tertiary is more stable because of formation of tertiary carbocation first, what we say, tertiary carbocation first, right? Now, so tertiary halide is more reactive in SN1 mechanism than secondary, primary and Rx. This only thing depends on what? On stability of carbocation. Now when we talk about the reactivity order, this is little bit revision, order of SN2 mechanism, Rx you can see is more reactive than primary, secondary, tertiary. What about our SN1? Tertiary was first, right? And that all depends on stability of carbocation. Now when we talk about the reactivity order of halides, that is alkyl halide in SN1 and SN2 both, always remember, this is the important thing to remember. Who will be more reactive in this alkyl halide? The iodine will be more reactive, iodine containing alkyl halide, and in this case fluorine containing alkyl halide will be the least reactive, right? That depends on the mass and what we all discuss here, right? Okay. Now this we come to an end of mechanism of SN1 and SN2. Now this same thing is given in your textbook, but you always make note from the page on page what I have written, right? Now in this one homework is there. You can see here homework example 10.6. It is very easy. Read carefully and use your brain, what we say. Look here. Here you can see these two compounds are given. Out of this, which one will undergo SN2 reaction faster? The simple thing is what? Separate it into, this is, if you see, this is a primary, right? And this is, in this case, this carbon is attached to one more carbon. So this is secondary halide and this is primary. So according to SN2, who will be more reactive? So obviously primary, right? Primary, and therefore undergoes SN2 reaction faster. You understood everyone what I am talking about, right? Then when we talk about in this case, sorry, this is not primary, this is primary, sorry for that. Now here same way in this case also you can see who will react first, what we say, the last reactivity order what we see in the paper. So I think this is the one, right? Rx you wrote, no, that Ri greater than RBr greater than RCl. So here iodine will come first before Cl. That's why it is more reactive, right? Better leaving group. Iodine is a better leaving group because of its large size. This is the reason for this order, right? It will be released as faster rate in the presence of incoming nucleophile. Now this you do it by yourself. If any difficulty, I will explain it here. Isomers of bromobutane you have to write. Isomers, I think everyone know. First you write carbons in a straight chain, put a Br in for first isomer. Second isomer you can see C, and here you put Br, right? Third isomer you make a branch like this. Okay, so this you use your knowledge, otherwise I will give you the answer. So this one is also homework, what we say. So example 10.6 homework, which I already explained. 10.7 is homework, and right here this is the explanation what is given. But before you use little bit your knowledge what is acquired by this video, and then only you can continue, right? Now in the next topic we will be discussing about stereochemical aspect of nucleophilic reaction, that is stereochemistry. Stereochemistry we are going to discuss. Okay, so remember this thing. This is the next topic what we are going to discuss. Okay, thank you.